Hey guys, it is Tiffany Allen. Welcome to my channel. I am coming today with a video all about how to take the leap as a life coach or, coach in general. You can literally do anything you want to do. So I want to do this video real quick to help you to just get the confidence to take that freaking leap. So if you are wanting to start a business, you're wanting to become a coach, you're wanting to go out there and make money online, I want to offer you a 15-minute free call to jump on the phone, talk about what you're going through, talk about what's coming up, talk about your vision, and bridge the gap to where you can actually do this and actually make this happen because it's possible for you. So the link is in the description below, so go click that link and book a call with me and we can chit chat about everything. But diving into the content. So if this is your first time ever really watching a video of mine, I'm Tiffany Allen. I help women entrepreneurs that feel stuck create confidence and show up online with a plan. And make money. So I got this. I feel like this question comes up a lot. I feel like a lot of people are sitting in the background and they're watching everyone else like become a coach or get online and grow a business, and they really want to do it, but they don't feel qualified. They don't feel capable. They feel stuck and they feel scared to take that initial leap of like, hey, I'm doing this, I'm starting a business, and also may feel lost on like exactly how to do that. So I want to give you guys some tips, I want to give you guys some advice, and hopefully this video helps you guys. So how to take the leap. You are literally like qualified to do so many things. Like us as human beings, we go through different things. We go through different struggles and we actually live life experiences. And I think one of the best ways to becoming a coach is to teaching something that you have literally been through. Like you can literally say, hey, I've been through that. I know how that feels. I can help you through this. And you actually have a plan and a way and an answer for them to get through this because you've literally done that. And you can show up online and you can show up with that personal social proof of, I've been there. I know what you're going through. I know where you're coming from, and help them through that. So know that like before you start a business, like you can literally do anything that you want. And the best way to do that is to look at your life. What are some things that you have been through? What are some things that you have struggled and overcome or are overcoming and know how to overcome that you could teach someone else? A lot of people are literally living their life basically as life coaches, but they're doing this stuff for free for family and friends and don't even realize they can be profiting on this and helping people with this and getting actual money, like paid to do this. So I also saw a post the other day talking about how like she has been helping people basically for free. She knows she has, and she's been doing this for like 25 years with a struggle that she was struggling with, and she sees all of these other people, making money very, less qualified than her because they haven't, been through it as long as she has. And she doesn't know how they can just become an expert and put themselves out there. You can be the expert of anything. You can do anything. You can grow your business with anything. And so look at your life. What have you been through? How can you help people? And then create the confidence to know that you can do that. Believe in yourself. And if you are feeling stuck where you do not believe in yourself, you do not feel capable to do this, but you know it's something that you absolutely want to do, take my belief in you. Take it. Use it. Know that you can do anything. You're worthy. You're good enough. And if you've been through something, you are qualified. You are more than qualified. And I like to think, a lot of times we get stuck in the fear and we get stuck in like the self-doubts and what people might think of us. Like, who are we to call ourselves a life coach? And who are we to call ourselves this expert? You are amazing. You're perfect. And the best way to look at it is that if you get out there, you share your experience, you share what you've been through, you share step-by-step and advice and tips and help these people get out of their struggle that you can help them in, it makes it so much easier to show up. It makes it so much easier to say, yeah, I'm going to start this business. I'm going to do this. It makes it so much easier to do that even through the fear because you know the struggle. You know how hard it was for you to go through that. and looking at it like that, like you're going to change someone's life, you're going to help someone, it makes it so much easier to announce. So I just want to start out, like, really go into saying you are good enough to grow a business doing what you love. You are experienced. If you've been through something, you are experienced. You are qualified. You know, I like to also look at, there's all of these other people less qualified than you. Like, you have everything that you need within you. Like, there are people less qualified than you making money doing this. You're the perfect person for this. You are good enough to do this. So make a plan, you know, sit down and figure out, you know, you could literally sit down. If you've been through this, if you experience something, you could literally sit down and write out a coaching program and create that, and then go and show up online and make money today. Like, that's possible. So I wanted to make this video just to say, take the leap. If you're questioning, if you're wondering, if you're feeling stuck and you just don't know how to start, take the leap. Go on Facebook, go on Instagram, go on somewhere online and let the world know, hey, I am an amazing person. This is my name. You know, tell them your name, tell them who you are, tell them what you experience, and tell them that you're a life coach now. You don't have to be qualified. Like, you don't have to be certified. Life coaching is a very unregulated field. Like, coaching for anything is really unregulated. But I think it's awesome to, you know exactly what you're doing and know how to do this, like, especially if people are going to pay you. So if you are interested in, like, becoming a coach, I'm going to drop a link for a certification that I'm an affiliate for in the comments so you can check it out. So there's an option there if you feel unsure of, like, exactly how to go about coaching. There's that option. But know that if you literally know how to walk someone through something, you don't have to be certified. If you know how to help someone and you know you can, you don't have to be certified. You can literally make money today. And all it takes is taking that leap, getting yourself to say, I can help someone, I know I can, I'm ready to be paid, and putting yourself out there and announcing it to the world and letting them know that you have an offer. Because I think it's really, really simple. Becoming a coach, becoming anyone online, making money, it's really simple. Have an ideal client in mind, have something to offer them, have a price for them, and have a way for them to pay you. It really can be that simple, and we a lot of times make things way too hard. You are qualified, you are good enough. Get out there and do it. I hope this video helped you guys. If you liked this video, if it motivated you or it empowered you or made you feel capable of doing this and it helped you in any way, please like it. Please subscribe to my channel so you can see more videos like this, and share it. If you have a team, if you're in an MLM company, or you have a family member or a friend that is also growing a business, please share this video with them so it can help them too, if you feel like it helped you. So again, I just want to say, if this is something you struggle with, if you're feeling stuck in really taking that leap, or maybe you've already taken that leap but you feel stuck on, like, what to do and how to grow, and maybe you're really stuck on how to build the confidence and how to build the belief in yourself to actually do this, I want to help you. So again, I'm offering those 15-minute calls to where we jump on the phone and talk about what you're going through and bridge the gap from struggling to success, to making this actually happen, to going all in and showing up. So the link for that is in the description below too. I love you guys. I will talk to you later. Bye.